welcome to World Adventures. Today, we will explore the wonder places of the United Kingdom. United Kingdom is a place where history isn't just something you read about, it's something you can feel, in every stone, every street, every hill. It's a land of breathtaking beauty and stories that have shaped the world. Let's begin with Number 1. The Tower of London, London. The Tower of London is one of the most iconic landmarks in the heart of London. Built by William the Conqueror in 1066, the tower has a long and fascinating history as a royal palace, prison, and treasury. Today, it is best known as the home of the crown jewels and an essential symbol of British history. The tower has served many roles, including a royal residence, armory, and prison. Famous prisoners included Anne Boleyn, the second wife of Henry VIII, and Guy Fawkes, who attempted to blow up the House of Lords in the Gunpowder Plot. The tower's ravens are considered a symbol of protection for the crown. Legend says that if the ravens ever leave, the monarchy will fall. Visit the Crown Jewels exhibition, which houses the priceless crowns, scepters, and orbs used in royal ceremonies. Take a yeoman warder, beefeater, tour. These guides are experts in the tower's history and share fascinating tales of intrigue and royal drama. Explore the White Tower, the oldest part of the Tower of London, which houses historic armor and weaponry. Don't miss the medieval White Tower, a treasure trove of armor and weapons, and check out the interactive exhibits for families. Number 2. Edinburgh Castle, Edinburgh. Situated on a volcanic rock. Edinburgh Castle is an ancient fortress with spectacular views over the city. It has played a central role in Scottish history for over 1,000 years, serving as both a royal residence and a military stronghold. The castle has been the seat of the Scottish kings and queens for centuries, including Mary, Queen of Scots, who gave birth to James VI of Scotland, later James I of England. The Stone of Destiny, historically used in the coronation of Scottish kings, is now kept in the castle. Visit the Crown Jewels of Scotland, including the iconic Sword of State and the crown itself. Explore the St. Margaret's Chapel, the oldest surviving building in Edinburgh, dating back to the 12th century. Witness the 1 o'clock gun, fired daily, except Sundays, to mark the time for locals and visitors alike. Take a walk along the Royal Mile, stretching from the castle to the Palace of Holyrood House, filled with shops, restaurants, and history. Number 3. Stonehenge, Wiltshire. Stonehenge, one of the world's most famous prehistoric monuments, stands on the Salisbury Plain in Wiltshire. This awe-inspiring stone circle is over 4,000 years old, and its exact purpose remains a mystery. The stones were likely transported from the Preseli Mountains in Wales, some 200 miles away, using a complex system of sledges and rivers. The monument's alignment is famously linked to the solstices. It is believed that Stonehenge was used for ceremonies related to the movement of the sun. Stand in awe of the stone circle itself, where you can marvel at the massive stones and take in the surrounding countryside. Visit the Visitor Center, which features interactive exhibits and displays about the history and construction of Stonehenge. Explore the Amesbury Archer exhibition to learn about the people who lived in the area during the time of Stonehenge. If visiting during the summer solstice, join thousands of people celebrating the longest day of the year at this ancient site. Number 4. The British Museum, London. The British Museum is one of the largest and most comprehensive museums in the world. Showcases human history, art, and culture. With more than 8 million works in its collection, it provides an unparalleled insight into the evolution of human civilization. The museum is renowned for its extensive collection of Egyptian artifacts, including the Rosetta Stone, which helped scholars decode Egyptian hieroglyphs. The Parthenon marbles, also known as the Elgin marbles, are a subject of significant controversy as they were removed from the Parthenon in Athens in the early 19th century. Admire the Egyptian mummies, including the famous statue of Pharaoh Ramses II. Explore the Assyrian wall reliefs and Greek and Roman sculptures, highlighting the achievements of ancient civilizations. Visit the Enlightenment Gallery, which houses objects that reflect the intellectual curiosity of the 18th century. Don't forget to take a look at the Japanese samurai armor and Chinese ceramics for a deeper understanding of Asian culture. Number 5. Buckingham Palace, London. Buckingham Palace is the official residence of the British monarch. It is one of the most iconic symbols of British royalty. Located in central London, it has been the residence of the monarchy since 1837. The palace was originally a townhouse built for the Duke of Buckingham in 1703 and became the royal residence during Queen Victoria's reign. The changing of the guard ceremony outside the palace is a must-see event for visitors, drawing crowds from all over the world. Watch the changing of the guard ceremony, which takes place daily during the summer and every other day in the winter. Visit the state rooms during the summer months when the palace is open to the public. These lavish rooms are used for royal ceremonies and official functions. Take a stroll through St. James's Park, which offers beautiful views of the palace and is perfect for a picnic or a relaxing afternoon. Explore the Royal Mews to see the royal carriages, including the magnificent gold state coach used for coronations. Number 6. The Lake District, Cumbria. The Lake District is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is famous for its stunning natural beauty. It boasts beautiful lakes, rolling hills, and charming villages, making it a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. The Lake District is the largest national park in England, and it has inspired numerous poets, most notably William Wordsworth, who lived in the area. It is home to Scawfell Pike, the highest mountain in England, standing at 978 meters, 3,209 feet. Hike or walk around the stunning lakes, such as Lake Windermere or Derwentwater. Take a boat cruise on Windermere Lake, enjoying breathtaking views of the surrounding hills and quaint villages. Visit Dove Cottage, the former home of William Wordsworth, and see where he wrote many of his famous poems. Explore the charming town of Keswick and shop for unique handmade goods in its boutiques. Number 7. Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament, London. Big Ben, the world-famous clock tower, is part of the Houses of Parliament in London. These iconic buildings sit along the River Thames and are integral to the UK's political life. Big Ben is the nickname for the great bell inside the clock tower. The actual tower is now called the Elizabeth Tower. The Houses of Parliament date back to the 11th century, and they have served as the seat of the UK government since the medieval era. Admire the beauty of Big Ben from various viewpoints around Westminster, especially at night when it's illuminated. Take a guided tour of the Houses of Parliament. To learn about British democracy, the parliamentary system, and the building's fascinating history. Visit Westminster Abbey, just a short walk from the Houses of Parliament. To see the Coronation Church and the burial site of many British monarchs. Number 8. Hadrian's Wall, Northern England. Hadrian's Wall, stretching across northern England, was built by the Romans in the 2nd century AD to mark the northern boundary of the Roman Empire in Britain. The wall was built by the Roman Emperor Hadrian and stretches for 73 miles from Wallsend on the east coast to Bonus-on-Solway on the west coast. The wall is dotted with forts, mile castles, and turrets, all of which served to defend the empire from invasions by the tribes to the north. Walk or hike along sections of the Hadrian's Wall Path, a designated trail that runs parallel to the wall. Explore the Roman forts at Housesteads and Vindolanda, where you can see Roman artifacts and learn about life on the frontier. Visit the Bonus-on-Solway area to see the remnants of the wall at its western terminus. Number 9. Bath, Somerset. The historic city of Bath is known for its stunning Georgian architecture, Roman baths, and natural hot springs. It has been a spa destination for thousands of years. The Romans built the Bath Spa around the natural hot springs in the 1st century AD, and it was one of the most important spa towns in the Roman Empire. The city is also famous for its Georgian architecture, including the Royal Crescent, a sweeping arc of terraced houses that is an iconic image of Bath. Visit the Roman baths to see the ancient bathing complex and the well-preserved hot spring water. Take a dip in the Thermi Bath Spa, a modern spa that uses the natural mineral waters from the ancient baths. Explore the Royal Crescent and the Circus, two stunning examples of Georgian architecture. Take a relaxing walk along the Pulteney Bridge and enjoy views of the River Avon. Number 10. Windsor Castle, Windsor. Windsor Castle is located just outside London, is the oldest and largest inhabited castle in the world. It has been a royal residence for over 1,000 years and is still used by the British royal family today. The castle has been the home of 39 monarchs, including Queen Elizabeth II, who spent many weekends here. The state apartments and St. George's Chapel are both major highlights, with the chapel being the site of numerous royal weddings, including that of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. Visit the state apartments, which are filled with magnificent artwork, royal memorabilia, and historic furnishings. See St. George's Chapel, a stunning Gothic church that is the burial site of many British monarchs, including Henry VIII and Charles I. Watch the changing of the guard ceremony, similar to Buckingham Palace, at the castle gates. Explore the Windsor Great Park for a peaceful stroll and beautiful views of the castle. Tour the 10 famous tourist destinations in the UK. Each of these locations offers its own unique slice of British history and culture, making them must-see spots for any traveler. Subscribe to World Adventures channel for more interesting videos. Comment your reviews regarding this video.